Alright, this is MySMP.com. In today's video, we're going to cover a reversal method called the 1-2-3 reversal method. It was discussed in a book called Trader Vic, and it's a way of going against an uptrend after a very, very strong move. It wasn't my initial goal to look for this pattern. I just kind of looked back over my trades, and I saw this pattern was there. And I want to just give a quick talk about it. So in the 1-2-3 reversal, you have a pretty sharp up move, and of course I'm day trading, but this also can take place on daily charts as well, or weekly charts. You have a trend line, and on the break of the trend line here, it wasn't a hard break, but just enough of a break. That's point 1 right here. And then when you get the retest of the swing high point, that's your point 2. And then the actual breakdown of the first point is 3. So what you want to do is short point number 3, which is here, which is the break of the first pivot off the high. So that was a setup, and again, after the fact, I noticed that it fit in line with the 1-2-3 reversal method. And if you guys want to look into this, it's actually in a book, Sammy Chua's Day Trade Your Way to Financial Freedom, the second edition. So if you want to actually check out the text on it, go right ahead. So I'm going to play the video so you guys can see the trade unfold. All right, so you see here, we're sitting at a hold number of 28, and the tape was pretty slow. It was somewhat late in the day. It was a little after noon. And for all you day traders out there, around like lunchtime it gets really slow. But you can see the tape started to pick up here, just a little, and you saw enough red come through. So I take a short position here shortly. All right, you got filled on 400 shares at market. And you can see it started to pick up a bit. And I think the tape's going to, excuse me, not the tape, but the actual video, I'm going to fast forward a bit here in a sec. Alright, so I took off half the position here. That's one thing I'm working on, is just taking off half. That way I can use that as a cushion to let my second half run. So I've been working on that pretty much all month, and hopefully I'll start to, allow that to actually play out, which I have, and I'm starting to get better at that. So as you can see, it was coming down to the whole number at 27 here, which represented, close to a full point on the remaining 200 shares. And I placed my stop initially above the swing here, and then once it kind of drifted down quite nicely, I decided to at least put it at break even in the event there's some quick reaction. Alright, you can jump back here. Alright, so still short 200 shares, and it started to kind of take a breather here, and it was so late in the day. I mean, it's like 1:37. I just went ahead and closed this position out shortly. But the key thing to note again is you have sharp rally. Your first point here is 1. The reaction is 2. The break of the pivot is 3. So again, the 1, 2, 3 reversal. And then you get a pretty decent decline down. I believe the stock ended up going much lower, but it was good for what we were looking for in the trade. So there you go. That's pretty much it. And again, the 1-2-3 reversal method. Alright guys, take care.